I'm starting to do gig logs for DJing. Tomorrow night I'm doing a charity event for Roy's Rescue Farm. They rescue animals. I had a possible client want to see some of my work, and they couldn't make it out to one of the events I was doing, so they gave me the idea of videotaping what I do, so that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm a little sweaty there because I just loaded my car. The haul is going to let me bring my stuff tonight, so I don't have to do it all tomorrow. So I'll check in with you tomorrow. Peace.